I got to hold my son for a while. The weight of him and the warmth. How perfect and fragile he was. I knew I had to give him up. But I physically couldn't make my arms let go. I finally asked the nurse to take him. And my arms felt so empty afterward. At night I dream I'm holding him again.
I do that too. I dream that Jonah is alive and that I'm holding him. And when I wake up and remember, it's like you said. My arms feel so empty. You should meet my godson. He's adorable. And I gotta admit, just holding him, it makes me feel so good. My family is crazy about him.
Sounds like a very lucky little boy to have so many people who love him.
Yeah, he came into our lives right when we were at our lowest, and he really brought joy back into our hearts. So I think that we're the lucky ones to be able to love Wiley the way that we do.
What did you say your godson's name is?
It's Wiley Cooper Jones. Actually, I have something here. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it definitely suits him.
It's beautiful.
I remember.